it is time to look into how to create AI video with Grok and ChatGPT. We're going to open our Play Store to download the Grok. I'll tap on my Play Store, go to search your Grok, Grok. You search, then my Grok is already installed. It's asking for update. So if I want to update, I will click update. If I don't want to update, I will not update. So if you have not installed it yet, you click on the install. Your own will show install button. Normally you should know how to download apps. So once you are done downloading, you open it. So you open your app. Let's assume I'm done downloading. I'll then open my app. So this is my Grok. Okay. This is my Grok. This one here is my Grok. So I'll open it. So if you haven't logged in yet, you click login. You know how to log in. Either you create a new account or you use your Google account to log into the Grok AI. So we are here now. We are going to create a video for our Grok. So to create our video, there is an option called create videos. Down below, you can see where they're showing create videos. You click on it. So you type whatever video you want to create. You type the prompt. So the prompt is a kind of guide to what you want the AI to do for you. All right. Then I will type create a video rough. Two women gossiping. All right. The other woman is very tall, while the other woman is very short. All right. Then you click your send. This arrow up, you click it. Then you see that it starts generating your video. As you can see it, 1% say generating video. So let's wait for it as it is generating. We're waiting. So once it's done generating, you can now preview your video. All right, it's loading. All right, I think it's done.
Did you hear about Sarah at the party? No, what happened? She tripped and spilled her drink everywhere. Oh my gosh! Did you hear about Sarah?
Are you getting it now?
No,
so
what happened?
If you're okay with this, you click download. If you're not okay, you continue advising the AI or guiding the AI with more prompts. Click on the pen button down below to edit it. You will then say, I'm going to edit it now.
She tripped and spilled her drink everywhere. Oh my gosh! Did you hear about Sarah?
I'm going to edit it now.
No, what happened? She tripped and spilled
I'm
her
going to
drink
say,
everywhere. Oh my gosh! Did
I'm
you
going
hear
to
about
say,
Sarah?
make the woman, make the woman wear dirty clothes. Make the shorter hair to wear dirty clothes. All right, it's generating another one. Let's see what it will give us. On a norm, it should edit the last one we created. All right, we should edit the last one we created. So, okay, it's coming. It's coming. All right. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it's almost done. It's almost done. Okay.
These rags are all I got. find something better. Hope so. Sick of this.
All right.
These rags are all I got. We'll find something better.
All right.
Hope
So,
so. Sick of this.
all right. I think this one is okay. I will click my download button. It says download started. It will finish and give me a notification that it has finished downloading.
These rags are all I got. We'll find something better.
Okay.
Hope so. Sick of this.
Yeah.
These rags are all I got.
So
We'll find
this
something better.
this
Hope so.
is the
Sick of this.
the download is done. All right.
We'll find something
I think
better.
the download should be done by now.
Sick of this. These rags are all
So
I
you
got.
can go ahead and continue telling the AI what to do. You can also click the pen button again and say, let there be, make a man. You can say,
Sick of this. These rags are all I got.
put
We'll find something better.
a
Hope so.
man
These rags are
walking
all I got.
behind them. All right. Click it again. So it's generating another one. Generating another one. All right. So 1%. So just wait for it. It is fast, but in your own phone or your own device, it may be slow. In respect to the internet connectivity. All right. So let's see and watch out what will happen. Okay, it's about to done.
Everyone stay back. It's not safe.
Okay.
Head for cover. Everyone stay back. It's not safe.
Okay. Now this is a wrong result. All right. So because it has given us wrong result, you can go ahead and continue customizing it. Is it okay? So whatever result it give you, if you're okay with it, you download. If you're not okay with it, you go ahead and delete. All right. So that is it. Go ahead and continue customizing. Anyone you're done, you download. Anyone you don't like, you leave it. All right. Thank you very much. More questions you ask me on my dem. All right.